Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to take notes at Vivaldi browser. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel or open Vivaldi browser on your desktop. You'll be directed to the start page here. Here you'll see the notes icon on the top center bar. Next to Home and Shop and Travel, find the notes. Click on the notes and you'll be directed to the Vivaldi.notes. So here click on the plus button to add a new note, and here type in your note text and example, and here just you can choose visual or text. So this is text, this is visual, and you can add address here. You will find the date grade of your node, the date of modification, and you can click on trash. You can just delete this note. So right mouse click and hit delete to delete your note. So this is how to add nodes on your Vivaldi browser. If you found this guide helpful and easy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.